Everyone, my name is Aman, and today I'm going to talk on the topic of satisfaction, the triple S of our life: sacrifice, success. Actually, the satisfaction is the feeling that come after the sacrifice and success. Satisfaction isn't about getting fame, money, or anything. It's about that knowing you gave your best. And there is a saying, a coin is better than regretting. Also, satisfaction is different for everyone. Someone gets satisfied with a little thing, with their little achievement, but there are some people who had done very hard work, and after so much effort they don't get what they wanted. They had burned the midnight oil, and they had worked so hard, but still they don't get that thing, so they don't feel satisfied. As we all know, एक सेकंड मैम, एक सेकंड. So, as we all know, in today's time, according to many people, success is about the money. But money is not only the way to get success. Actually, the success has different meaning, and the satisfaction. Basically, money can't buy happiness. It's about satisfaction is about the containment, not about the possession. And if we talk about, we should be happy whatever we have, because because that's how we can get satisfaction and from things. And the conclusion of this, all the things, according to me, sacrifice, success, and satisfaction, these are the ladders that we have to climb to get at the top. One cannot reach the top without climbing the first stair. Actually, it's a path which is paved by the sacrifice, success, and satisfaction, paved by the determination and discipline. So yeah, that's it.
As we all know, the word sacrifice is most valuable in our life. Like everyone is sacrificing in their life. Some people's like, firstly I will mention like fathers. All the time father do sacrifice for their children, for their families, all the time. Like a children has to do something in their life, like a children want something from their life, so he told to her father. After that, the father trying to give the things to the children, and after that, like if they doesn't have a mercy, doesn't have money, still they're trying to fulfill their children's dream, and all the time they do sacrifice. They have worried about their life, like children's life. All the time they pay the cost of all the things, and they didn't care about their own needs. All the time they're trying to fulfill their children's and family needs, and all the time they fulfill their children's dreams. And everyone is sacrificing in their life. Like a student also sacrifice in their life. Like a poor family, a student, a children is belong to the poor family, and he has to do study, but he doesn't have the money to he doesn't have the money to do study. So that time they have to sacrifice. Like they half time, हाँ क्या कहते हैं उसे, हाफ टाइम क्या कहते हैं उसे, जो काम करते हैं ना, हाँ, they do part time. So after that they fulfill their dream, like they do study at the night, round the clock. They trying to do hard work, and they want to achieve something in their life. That is called also sacrifice. And some people I also mentioned for the sacrifice, like today generations, poor peoples in our areas, like they want to get the job, but into a time the job is like, क्या था इसके लिए, कोई idioms है इसके लिए. Person want to do hard work, like they want to leave the unturned stone, but they are not want to be successful in their life because of our area, because of educations, and because of our education system. Like if we are going to any kinds of interview, so they ask their qualifications, and into a time the poor people had not qualification, and because of that they all the times humiliated by the man. Like he doesn't have the knowledge, and he is not capable to do this kinds of job. So all the time they have to do hard work, and if after that they're trying to. So friends, also I'm trying to speak about the success, and success is not just a word. So many people's hard work for getting success in their life. Success is not just a word for the earning money and making their own life. Success is there is different meaning for everyone in success in their life. Like poor people want a chapati, and this is called the success for the person. And everyone has their different kinds of success in their life. They want to achieve, and And if we firstly we have to do hard work, after that we can get the success. And I also told about the success, like you have to do sacrifice, after that you can get the success. And if firstly you have to do hard work, you have to do study hard, and you have to do hard work round the clock and without any thinking like I will do that kind of thing, will I do or not, this kind of thing we don't need to think. And so many obstacles and hurdles come into your life when you will get the success in your life, but you don't need to give it that time. You have to do hard work with consistency, and after that you will get the success because of your hard work. And after getting success you can do everything whatever you want in your life, like you can go to abroad and you can do whatever, and you can help someone because of their success, because of your success. And so many people are trying to get success, but they are not able to get the success because of their problems, because of their circumstances. Like so many people has the problem, like their family conditions, situations, because of they are not able to do hard work. They are not वो क्या कहते हैं, ध्यान नहीं लगा, they are not focusing to get, they are not focused to get achieve, क्या था, focused to get their goals, नहीं पहुंच पाते अपने गोल तक, है ना, ये हो ना, they are not able to get their goals because of their condition. Like firstly you have to do hard work, and we have to also earn the money. Firstly we have to start up our business. Like if we have to get the success in our life, so firstly we have to start up our business. Like in the business you can grow easily and you can grow fastly. Like क्या था ना इसके बारे में